In this video, I just want to send my condolences to the Venezuelan people and to Chavez family. I feel very sad. I really love Chavez. I love Chavez. I love Venezuela. I love the people of Venezuela who fought and stood against tyranny, against capitalism, and who stood for socialism and democracy. And with that, I'm very saddened that Chavez's work could not be continued by him. Nevertheless, there are brave and smart and creative people in Venezuela who will continue the fight against tyranny, who will continue to fight to protect their natural resources so that way it benefits their own indigenous people, just like Bolivar fought for the freedom of all Venezuelan people, the blacks and the indigenous people alike. So, my prayers are with Chavez's family and the people of Venezuela. I pray that you continue a brave and courageous and successful fight against tyranny and against capitalism, and you will win, you will win, you will win, you will win. And I just continue to